In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to highlight an image in Canva to make your YouTube thumbnails stand out. Hi everyone! If you've ever felt like your thumbnails look a little flat, or your subject blends into the background, this simple technique will give your main image that extra pop so viewers instantly notice it. Start by opening Canva and heading to your existing thumbnail design. If you haven't created one yet, you can use any thumbnail template and swap in your own visuals later. Once your design is open, click on the image you want to highlight. This tells Canva which element you want to enhance and keeps all the relevant editing options handy. At the top toolbar, click Edit Image. This panel is where you'll find most of the tools we'll use. If your subject is getting lost in a busy background, choose Background Remover to isolate the subject. It's optional, but extremely helpful for a clean, professional look. Give it a moment to process, and then inspect the edges. If needed, refine them with the built-in brushes so your subject looks crisp without jagged lines. Next, create contrast by adding an element behind your subject. A simple circle, rectangle, or another shape does the job beautifully. Think of this as a spotlight that sits behind your image. Place the shape under the subject so it doesn't cover it. You can do this by moving the shape backward in the layer order. Then, adjust the size so there's a comfortable halo of space around your subject, enough to frame it, but not so large that it steals attention. Now, tweak the position and color of that shape. Choose a color that contrasts with both your subject and the background. If your background is dark, a lighter shape will stand out. If it's light, a deeper tone works better. You can also soften the look by lowering the transparency just a bit for a smoother blend. For extra emphasis, apply a subtle effect to the image itself. In the Edit Image panel, explore shadows or glow. A soft drop shadow can add depth and make the subject feel separated from the background, while a glow can create a bright rim that draws the eye. Keep it balanced. Adjust the size, transparency, and blur until it looks natural and polished. And that's how you highlight an image in Canva to make your YouTube thumbnails stand out. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.